Hey there, fellow online shoppers. Welcome to CartBlock. So you've just downloaded CartBlock, and you're probably wondering, what's next? Well, let me tell you this. CartBlock is an app that uses new Shopify functions for checkout validation, so merchants could use the app to prevent fraud and unwanted orders, for example. Now let's get started and set our first condition. First thing to do is to create a validation name. This name will be only for our personal use that help us to remember what's the purpose of this condition. For example, first condition. Then in the error area, we set where the condition will take action. In the second window, you will decide where the customer will receive the message. And in the text window, you will write the message that your customer will read. Remember to be always nice. Now is time to create the condition you want. First, you choose the area of the condition you want. Let's pick cart total for now. Then you specify the exact condition that the customer has to follow, and in the end, you choose the amount for this condition. For example, $1,000, and to finish, click Save. Now let's go back to check the rule you created for your store. As you can see at the bottom of the list, there is your first condition just created and active. Remember to check if your condition is enabled so it will work correctly. Now let's test the condition. Open your store and add any product to the cart and checkout. As you can see, for the condition created, the error message shows right where you choose. Now you have all you need to fully experience CartBlock, and don't hesitate to contact us if you need. We will be happy to help.